Activate the Bluetooth feature on both the mobile phone and the radio, initiate a device search, and establish a connection. During the first-time connection, a matching code is typically required, commonly set as 0000. Once the connection is established successfully, you can utilize the Bluetooth functionality to make calls and play music directly from the radio interface. Select your desired EQ settings. Low pass filter / high pass filter. Stereo surround sound setup. Subwoofer setup.